Alright, this is Elma showing she's got her safety glasses and her gloves for this. And this is our PCR machine. I am going to walk you through in more detail, but we just wanted to showcase making sure you put the balance tubes in, balancing it correctly, making sure that lid is on tight because you do not want to run it without it. And check with your instructor for the correct times and speed that PCR machine should be on, because you're probably going to run more than one sample. But what even is PCR? Let's talk about it. PCR is a polymerase chain reaction. This detects genetic material and rapidly amplifies DNA to make it easier to read. And we use gel electrophoresis to see and visualize that easier. But let's talk about the steps of PCR. The first step is to denature. You want to heat up that DNA strand to separate the strands to make it easier to visualize. Second is annealing, which cools the reaction down and allows the primers to form. And the step 3 is extension, and this synthesizes new DNA, making it easier to visualize. And on our part, we collect our sample like we did in week 1. We incubate that and collect it in week 2 yet again, and that's where we create our DNA sample and we PCR'd for the first time. And we've also done some other PCR with other samples and with our DNA pellets and whatnot. But that is PCR.